Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling how to use Uplift on Southwest in 2025. If you're looking to book flights with Southwest Airlines and spread out your payments, Uplift is a fantastic buy now pay later option that makes travel more affordable. It's perfect for those big trips without the upfront cash crunch. First off, let's quickly cover what Uplift is. It's a payment plan service that lets you divide your flight costs into installments, often with no interest if paid on time, but always check the details for 2025 updates. To get started, ensure you're eligible. You'll need to be at least 18 years old, have a valid U.S. address, a checking account, and a good credit history. Southwest and Uplift will verify this during the process. Step 1. Go to the Southwest Airlines website or open their app. Search for your desired flights just like you normally would, selecting dates, times, and any add-ons. Step 2. Once you reach the payment page, look for the Uplift option among the payment methods. It might say something like, Pay over time with Uplift. Click on it to proceed. Step 3. You'll be redirected to fill out a short application. This includes entering your personal details, like your name, email, and financial info for a quick credit check. It usually takes just a minute or two. Step 4. If approved, choose your payment plan. In 2025, options could include 3, 6, or 12 months, depending on the total cost and your preferences. Review the terms, including any potential fees. Step 5. Finalize your booking by confirming everything, and you'll get an email with your payment schedule and flight details. A few pro tips. Always make your payments on time to avoid late fees, and double-check that Uplift is available for your specific flight since policies can vary. It's a game changer for budgeting your travels. If you run into issues, Southwest's customer support is there to help. There you have it. That's how to use Uplift on Southwest in 2025. It's simple, stress-free, and can make your next adventure a breeze. If this helped, hit that like button, subscribe for more travel tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Safe travels, and thanks for watching.